Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to create your very own PLR ebook that you can sell as your PLR ebook to other people. And the best part about it is it will only take you a couple of hours. But before we go ahead and do it, I just want to let you know, here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to better help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, and stick around to the end, because I'll be announcing the winner from last week's competition. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Let's go check it out. Now the first part we're going to be talking about is probably going to be the longest part of the entire process. Now, assuming you've already done your research and you know the niche you're wanting to do, and you already know what the topic is going to be about. Now, what you have to do is start planning out the process or the chapters in what you want to do to be able to create your PLR ebook. Now, as I said, this is going to necessarily be perhaps the longest part of the process, so we're not going to go into too much detail here. So, right now, I'm in a place called bubble.us, bubbl.us. It's one of my main mind map places that I go to. And all you really need to do is to find a mind map, or to create a mind map of your own. To just go here. And you can start here by basically clicking on there. You can do a new tab just here. You can also add new lines if you wish to, go from there to there. And you can also add another one down here, which automatically does it for you. And you can start with your main concept and your main idea. Now let's assume it's about affiliate marketing. And of course, when you create an ebook, the first thing you want to do is to create an introduction. So let's have a look at the introduction. And of course, down here, you'll want to make sure that you put what you want to have inside your introduction. For example, it may be introducing the topic, and also why should people listen to you, and you can go down here again, add a bit more to the topic and say what's in the chapter or what's in the ebook. And then you might want to say, for example, create another chapter which says, for example, a new tab. And we can have this one come above it. Oops, daisy. Have this one come above it. And we can then click on there, create another line going from here to here. And then we can just say chapter 1. And, you know, you're doing something about affiliate marketing. You might want to go, what is affiliate marketing? So you can click on this one. Then move this one to where you want it. What is affiliate marketing? Oops, daisy. And then you create another one, which is down here. Just slide that down here. You can create another one, and you basically run around and you just create the various topics within inside your book. So it's a very simple process. However, it will require a bit of time because you need to know what you're going to be putting inside your book and the type of things you're going to be needing to write about. And the reason we're going to be doing it is it's going to help you to do the next process. So let's go to the next part of the process. Next part of the process is to get us a software called Creaite. Now, Creaite is an AI, and the best part about it is that it is really, really intelligent. It'll write articles for you up to 800 words, and that's really cool because most other places charge you around $47 a month or more to be able to create full-scale articles like that. Now, let me show you how this quickly works. It's on a credit basis, so I currently have 100 credits. Now, if I was to go here, click on that, and I was to go standard form, we have several niches. Now, I'm at the very beginning of this, as in I haven't upgraded to the one-time offer or the other ones, so I'm at the very, very base level. Now, allow me to show you a bit more about Creaite before I go any further. Creaite is an amazing AI. Now, it's actually the first proper AI that they've ever had on JVZoo. And, I mean, I've created a couple of articles already, and I have to say they are pretty good. Now, I'm going through, and you go down, let's just close that off. You can have a look at the various things. Now, this is a true AI. And it does really, really well with the topics it gives you. Now, it is limited on the amount of topics it gives you, but it writes it really, really well, just like a human being would write. In fact, it writes better than I do, so I think that's good. And if it can write better than me, then hey, I'm not going to complain. And it's unique each and every single time. Now, really, all you'd need to do to create this. Now, let's say, for example, you're doing the introduction and you're doing it on, let's choose a niche. Let's go online marketing, and let's go sub niche. Let's say, for example, we're looking at doing it on affiliate marketing. Okay, so let's go down. Now, let's see how long we're going to make this article for. Now, we don't have to have a long introduction, say 400 words, that's probably enough. And then go here. We can save it to a folder. I might save it to my entrepreneur folder. And right here, this is where you can start. This is where the magic happens. Now, you're going to be saying, you can already have your own welcome to the introduction and so forth. That can be something you write, first chapter or first paragraph. But let's have a look here. I'm going to say, oops. Affiliate marketing is, sorry, I'll start again. One of the easiest ways to make money online. However, there are a number of things you need to know before you can move forward. So that'll do. I'm just giving it a bit of seed to allow it to be able to create the article for me. And yeah, you can obviously edit it to your heart's content once you have printed it. So all we really need to do now is it's going to cost 1 credit to create this article, and all we have to do is hit say start. And then in a few minutes, it will have the article completely written. And that's, now if you're wanting to get hold of this, which by the way, they have a sale right now. And if we go down to the very bottom, you can have a look at the price. Now, as you can see, there's only 1 day, 5 hours left on this, and I'm not sure how long it's going to be once I upload the video, but it's going to be $29.95 at the moment. I'm not sure how much that's going up to, but it will be something. It'll be worth it either way. And it's a one-time payment, and that's the best part about this. Now, if you want to be able to obviously buy more credits later on, you can do that. Or if you wish to purchase the monthly one that comes up as well, you can do that as well. Now, as you can see, it's still writing the article, but we'll just pause the video until it has finished writing. All right, we're back. Now let's have a look at what the article is. Using Squidoo to start affiliate site. Well, we'll have a look. See what it's like. It might be okay. It may or may not suit your introduction, but it might be something you could use further on into the article. In fact, this could be a chapter all on its own. Affiliate marketing, what is the easiest way to, okay, so we've written that. In order to make money you need to choose the right niche. This is very important to make sure that your niche is profitable and able to make a profit. To help you, we have provided information below. First, you have to decide on a product that you want to promote. There are a number of factors that go into this choice, and it reads through quite nicely. Now, I would suggest you edit it as you wish to go. Now, this particular one probably isn't going to be good for your introduction, but it is something you could probably use as a chapter in and of itself. Now, you can actually turn this, as I said, let's just close that. You can actually have this going up. Now, you can create entire chapters around this entire thing. And it's so simple, so easy to be able to use this particular piece of software. It's called Creaite, C-R-E-A-I-T-E, and it's really amazing, and it really is its own AI, and it does an amazing job. Now, of course, it does have limitations. It says here, read first. I highly recommend you do that, because this will tell you how to avoid some of the limitations and what you can do, what to avoid. Avoid questions, avoid statements too specific, no product reviews, and then where to find prompts, and it gives you what you can do and what you can't do. Of course, like everything, it's got its limitations, but I had looked at AI recently, and I have to say it was rubbish. All it really was it was something that was preloaded with already written articles, and I think I had 5 or 6 niches that you could choose from, and that was it. And it just had preloaded articles, and it had the opportunity to spin it for you, but then the spun articles were crap. So I ended up getting my money back on it, and I didn't do a review on it because it was complete rubbish. This, on the other hand, is brilliant, and I'll use this. In fact, I'm thinking of upgrading to the monthly one because it's going to give me far more. Now, a monthly one will allow me to be able to do things like, now I can choose to go to Q&A, which is going to allow me to open that in a new tab. So this is one of the other options they've got. You can do questions and answers. You can go here. It gives you options to upgrade to different things. You can unlock all the niches, which is the next, I think it's OTO 1, as you can see. So this one here, if you decide to go here, it allows you to have all these extra things, and they're going to be adding between 5 to 10 different niches every single month. And apparently, from what I understand, they're looking at adding up to around 500 different niches. Now, right now, there is an offer for start off with $1. And then after that, you get you lock it in at $47 a month. Now, I would highly recommend you check it out because I'm looking at doing that. And once I do that, it'll be, it'll just keep moving forward from there. Okay, guys, now let's have a look at the winner. Now, the winner of last week's competition, which was to get a free month of BookBolt Pro, is Paul Walker. Congratulations, Paul. You've got your 3 months worth of trial of BookBolt. Contact me by going to my channel page, by clicking on my face. It'll take you to my channel page. Go to the About section, and in the About section you'll see where it says Contact Email. And you click on that, and then you can find my email address from there, and then you can contact me there, and I'll give you the link as well as the product code for you to be able to get your 3 months trial. Okay, now remembering, if you choose not to go ahead with it, that's fine. You can always cancel it any time, but you are the winner. So congratulations, Paul Walker. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.